Welcome to this modern high-tech cream biscuit factory. Here, dough is mixed and precisely sheeted. Cut biscuits bake in tunnel ovens. After cooling, they are filled with cream for distribution.
This is how cream biscuits are made in a modern factory.
From simple ingredients to perfectly filled biscuits, every step is fast and precise. The most satisfying part is the creamy center hidden inside each biscuit. Thousands of biscuits move through this automatic line every hour.
The process begins with flour, the main ingredient for biscuit dough.
The flour is transferred into the production system for clean and consistent mixing. Controlled handling keeps the flour fresh before it becomes biscuit dough.
Sugar adds sweetness, while cocoa gives chocolate biscuits their deep color and flavor.
These dry ingredients are measured carefully for balanced taste. Milk powder and oil help create the right biscuit texture and mouthfeel. Oil helps the biscuit dough become smooth and workable.
All ingredients are stored safely before production begins.
Precise measurement ensures every biscuit tastes the same. Before mixing, the ingredients are tested for quality and safety. Cocoa quality is important for the biscuit color, aroma, and flavor. After inspection, the ingredients move into the dough mixing section. The biscuit dough begins with dry ingredients entering a powerful mixer. Liquid and soft ingredients are added to help the dry mixture become dough.
The mixer blends everything evenly to build the biscuit base.
At first, the mixture looks dry and crumbly, but it slowly comes together. Continuous mixing creates a smooth dough for crispy biscuits. The dough reaches the correct texture before shaping.
A sample is checked to making sure the dough is ready.
The dough is now flattened into thin sheets. A smooth surface is essential for perfect biscuit shapes. Now the dough is ready to be shaped into biscuits. Machines cut the dough into identical round biscuits.
Precision cutting ensures perfect edges. Thousands of biscuit bases are formed every minute. The signature design is added to each biscuit.
These patterns also help the biscuits bake evenly.
The shaped biscuits now move toward baking.
Each biscuit is perfectly aligned for uniform baking.
At this stage, the biscuits are still soft.
Now begins the transformation inside the oven.
Controlled heat ensures perfect texture. Hundreds of biscuits bake at the same time. The biscuits develop their final color and crispness. The outer layer becomes firm and crunchy. After baking, the biscuits move to cooling. Now the biscuits are perfectly baked. Cooling prepares them for cream filling. The biscuits are now ready for the next stage. Cream filling is prepared separately. Sugar and cream are blended into a smooth mixture.
The cream becomes soft and smooth.
The cream is moved into filling machines. Precision nozzles control the exact amount of cream. The biscuits are now ready to become sandwich cookies. The filling is evenly distributed. The two layers are pressed together perfectly. The result is a perfect cream biscuit. Thousands of sandwich biscuits are made every hour. Each biscuit is identical in shape and filling. The balance of biscuit and cream is carefully controlled. The arrangement ensures safe transport. The trays move into sealing machines. The packaging protects freshness. Each pack is securely sealed.
Now the biscuits are ready for distribution.
Labels provide important product details.
The journey is almost complete. The packs are grouped together for easy transport. Each box is sealed securely for delivery. Automated systems stack the boxes efficiently. Pallets are wrapped to keep them stable during transport. The biscuits are moved to the loading area. Trucks are loaded with freshly packed biscuits. The biscuits begin their journey to stores.
Every day, these biscuits travel across different locations.
The biscuits arrive at distribution centers.
Finally, the biscuits reach store shelves. Now they are ready for customers.
Fresh, crispy, and perfectly filled.
Every pack contains perfectly crafted biscuits. Customers can now enjoy them. The journey is almost complete.
From factory to your home.
Each biscuit is perfectly made. A perfect balance of crisp biscuit and smooth cream. The inside is smooth and creamy.
Every bite is perfectly balanced.
Every step ensures quality and consistency.
Thousands are produced every day.
And this is how cream biscuits are made.
Stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.